long time. I'm tired as fuck, but I'm still out here in the morning, still fucking learning how to trade. Last couple of days has been fucking lit. I've been, yeah. But we still out here, bruh. We still trading, and I'm here to, it's been a long time since I've uploaded. All right, today is June 13th, 2023, and the last time I've uploaded, wait, let me see. I don't know, probably like 2 months ago. Let's see, 1 month ago. Starting to learn ICT SMC. 1 month ago, 4/24/23. So that's like May, right? It's crazy, bro. May 24, I started SMC, and look at my room. To learn, look at my hair. I mean, look, hey, look at the room, bro. It's great. Yeah, it is a fucking innovative. It's ICT. Hey, I mean, my room is clean at the moment. I see set up and shit. And yeah, I mean, so I started learning ICT, SMCs, ICTs, SMC, bro. That's just dumb as fuck. So I started learning it at 4/24/2023. So like May 4, 2022. Is it May? Motherfucking bitch. April. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. So April 24, 2023, I started learning it. And almost 2 months later, I'm here. I am still learning. And I'm telling you, I have learned a lot. I've made some progress. And I'm just here to break down these trade entries. Right? All of this tree. And what I've learned, And yeah, so 2 months later of learning this shit, he's still out here. Look, I'm rewatching episode 2 and episode 3, just to wind up my mind. Then I'm gonna watch episode 4 later on. So yeah, yeah, bro. All right, let's do this. So right over here we got the Euro USD chart, and let's go back to the weekly. Going back to the weekly. All right, so we started off here. So I mean, weekly is just so messed up because of all of these, but yeah. So we got in a daily chart. So in the daily chart, there's a bunch of sell side liquidity, right? And then, but what we are focusing here is a sell side liquidity below. I mean, in the discount area. So these two right over here, these and these, this and this. This is what we're focusing on for market to draw to, right below the equilibrium level, right below on in the discount zone. I cannot see. So first it did sell liquidity right over here. Took this. After that, it took this last sell side liquidity, right? It could go here, but I think it's unlikely, right? So sell side liquidity has been taken out in a daily chart. So now we're in the discount zone, and we have taken a sell side liquidity. Now we're expecting it to go up, right? And as the weekly as well. Wait, let me just remove all this. Weekly as well, right over here. Technical sell side liquidity. And I think it created a short-term low, and then now, if you know market structure, we could do this, and then break this high over here, right? So that's why my bias for this was to buy, right? In a daily and a weekly chart. So our bias initially, weekly and daily, is to buy. So now we go to the 1 hour time frame, right? we have here, what is this? Let's delete this. Let's do it. We have here that this is where right over here it hit the sell liquidity, right? So it's going down, right? Going down, going down, going down, and we have here a market structure shift right over here. Market structure shift. So we're now going up, and as the market structure shift, we built this high and low, the sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, whatever you want to call it, buy stop, sell stop, and then the market ran below this sell side liquidity in a bias week. So I'm like, hey, this is the shit. This is the time we are waiting for. So let's go to 15-minute time frame. Right over here, ran below the sell side liquidity, right? And then we are now looking for entries in the 3-minute chart. And as it ran sell side liquidity, right, we have a market structure shift right over here. As you can see, yep, right over here, market structure shift. This move right over here, these two candles, market structure shift, right? And then after this market structure shift, right, there's no fair value gap here as well, so the fair value gap created right over here, right? And so after the fair value gap created, we got our entry, right? So it did not hit there. It did not hit. I don't. Oh my god! I guess it did not hit directly after the fair value gap. What do you call that? Fair value gap creation. The birth of the fair. The fair value gap spawned, and it did not hit direct. The market did not go to it directly, but in the meantime, it did go right over here. It did not respect it, but the entry is there. Went down, and we put our stop loss right over this low over here, and like other pips, so for it to be hard to hit. And then after that, we got our entry. We got a stop loss below the swing low, and then why I put my TP here, right, is because the premium and discount, right? First of all, the equilibrium level is here, right over here. This 0.5, right? So meaning premium is above, discount is above. Premium is where you sell, discount is where you buy. So we bought here, and then I put my TP here because there is buy side liquidity and fair value gap right above it. So it's a very clean TP, and as you can see, it went up, kind of went down, and then boom, up, right? That's basically the story of this trade, right? Basic ICT model that I found in the episode 2 of the 2022 mentorship, right? So now we move on to these two. So these two are the same. I don't know how to say it, but are the same trades but different entry, right? So what this trade right over here, this one I did not do, but this one right here is what I did, because first I was like, what the fuck is this? You know, why the fuck did the market reacted to this and it went upside, right? I was so confused, right? But what I did not see was this order block right over here. So in ICT, there are three criteria of an order block, right? I'm gonna pull that shit out right now. I made this shit. Where the fuck is it? There it is. So we must run to liquidity, have a market structure shift, and a fair value gap. and this is the order block right over here, this blue one, right? So liquidity, market structure shift, and fair value gap. So we got liquidity run over right over here, right? That's liquidity, and after that we got a market structure shift right over here, and a fair value gap right over here, right? So an order block. And as you can see, it respected the order block as it did not close below it. It took the trade and it TP'd. So what I did was after I did this, we got a market structure shift, a fair value gap, and we entered the fair value gap. That's what I did. Right after this, I waited for a market structure shift. After that, a fair value gap, entry over here, and we won the trade. So that's basically it for these three trades right over here. These are two same trades but different entries. This one would have been better, but I didn't see the order block, so fuck off. Alright, so yep, these two. We got this one as well here, which I did not take because it's I don't look at this risk reward. I don't like it. Like I'm like yeah sure no, but this is why I took a trade here. I did not took the trade. I just why I would enter this. So sell side liquidity run over by the market. After it ran the market, we got a market structure shift and a fair value gap right over here. Then we enter the trade here, put my stop loss below this low, and put my TP in this equal high liquidity right over here. So it's almost going up. I mean, yeah, so that's literally it for all of my trades. 2 months, I think it's decent progress. 2 months of learning ICT, I think this is decent progress. Alright, I'm going to react to this fucker right over here. Wait, where the fuck was that shit, nigga? Let me react to that shit. Let me react to this. What he's saying.
Hey man,
Hey man,
I'm gonna show you
I
the
still
chart
can't speak.
of my Euro USD today as I have started to learn ICT's teaching,
SMC.
right? Smart money concept, all of those concepts and shit.
Yep.
I'm still gonna learn gaps before I playlist, right? But yeah, here's what I have so far.
God damn.
I'm in a 15-minute time frame, right? So right over here, a change of character. This is where I started the thing. I was looking at the
Change character is literally just MSC.
15-minute chart, right? Change of character right over here. This is the down. This is where the pullback started because in a 4 time frame, overall it's going up, right? Change of character meaning pullback is going to happen. We got trend lines over here. Simple stuff. Change character. Pullback is going to happen, right? 15-minute. And right over here, we have an equal high, and meaning with an equal high, there's liquidity above it, right?
Yep.
And after this, right, we see
Okay, basically he's full of shit. Yeah, so that's all for me. Just a quick update on my life. 2 months later of learning ICT, and look at my room. Hey, we're still in it for the grind. So yeah, that's all for me. See you.